And amidst this crisis, another cause for grave concern, there is a rise in black fungus cases across the country. And that is why the All India Institute of Medical Sciences is working on guidelines on the treatment protocol for black fungus. Now, sources have told India Today that AIIMS will release the guidelines on what is to be done to treat black fungus and other symptoms to look out for in the treatment of COVID-19 cases. This comes even as there is a shortage in medicines and drugs to treat black fungus, and that's been reported from several states. Several state governments have now begun to press the panic button, and some are taking steps to ramp up the supply of antifungal drugs to hospitals. So after COVID-19, there is a rare infection that's spreading its roots in India. At least 40 cases of black fungus have been reported from Surat in Gujarat. Health officials are saying that COVID patients with weak immunity are more prone to this life-threatening infection. Let's find out what this black fungus is all about and who is more vulnerable to it.
It is called the black fungus, and this infection is back. Delhi's Sir Gangaram Hospital, which has seen cases of mucormycosis earlier, is also reporting a surge in this fungal infection once again. Last year, this deadly infection caused a high mortality, with many patients suffering from loss of eyesight, removal of the nose and jawbone. This infection is seen in patients who have recovered from COVID-19.
Major signs and symptoms of this mucormycosis kind of a fungal infection is the swelling around the face, mainly in the paranasal region. Along with that, orbital swelling, eye swelling, discharge from the nose. These kind of features we are seeing in the post-COVID patients.
Many COVID patients have diabetes as comorbidity, and this could be one of the reasons for this rise in black fungus infection once again. COVID patients with weak immunity are more prone to this deadly infection. Doctors say the infection is worse this time around.
पिछले साल हम लोगों ने कोविड की महामारी के बाद बहुत सारे केसेस ब्लैक फंगस या म्यूकोरमाइकोसिस के देखे थे। इस साल इस बीमारी का और बुरे तरीके से हम लोगों पर आना बहुत एक संभावना है, और इसका इलाज एम्फोट्रिसिन यानी कि एंटी फंगल दवाई से अस्पताल में और बाद में कुछ सर्जरीज से भी जरूरी है, अदरवाइज ये जानलेवा बीमारी है।
At least 40 cases of black fungus have been reported from Surat and Gujarat among those who have recovered from COVID-19. Of the 40, 8 have lost their eyesight. The number of such cases has increased as Gujarat sees an exponential rise in coronavirus infections. The infection triggered by COVID-19 is treatable, but if left untreated or if the treatment is delayed, the condition can lead to the loss of vision and in some cases, increased mortality. The general symptoms include one-sided facial swelling, headache, nasal or sinus congestion, black lesions on nasal bridge or upper inside of mouth that quickly become more severe. Symptoms of pulmonary mucormycosis includes fever, cough, chest pain and shortness of breath. Gastrointestinal mucormycosis includes abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting and gastrointestinal bleeding. The US Center for Disease Control, or CDC, says that black fungus is rare, but it's serious. Doctors say use of steroids in the treatment of COVID-19, coupled with the fact that many coronavirus patients have diabetes, could be one of the reasons for the rise in the number of black fungus cases once again. With Sanjay Rathod in Surat and Milind Sharma, Sneha Murdani in Delhi for India Today.